Soup for today, sinigang or pork rib soup with bunga ng malunggay. O, diba? My first time to use bunga ng malunggay with beans, tomatoes, with cherry tomatoes for decoration. And of course, from my garden, charan! Sweet potato leaves from my garden. Organic, right? Ang boses ko ay iba kasi kagigising ko lang. Now, mag-aalmusal ako at tanghalian at hapunan ng sinigang soup. Diba? Pinakuluan ko yung kagabi pagdating ko galing ng work around 11:30 p.m. That's half cook ko. And then, I just turned on na lang this morning. Now, look at that. The only thing I bought there is the pork ribs and the bunga ng malunggay. Diba? Kasi yung beans, kamatis, lahat ay from my garden. Charan! No okra, guys. Kasi nakain ko na yung bunga ng okra ko. Isang puno lang naman, isa lang bunga. Yun, namumulaklak pa lang, malamig na. Thank you, God, for all the blessings. There's my tomatoes na. There. My ribs. There.